Reverend Chaluoku did a great job in that his parish at Inteje, changing the face, making it look beautiful, changing a lot of things. You know, if not the only, but one of the known Anglican on social media. Going around destroying all these their rituals on the three-way rules and other things. You think they're gonna be happy with him? No, they're not gonna be happy with him. Both from within his domination, from the side of Ndinko Menana. They will always try to come up with one or two things to mess him up, to disgrace him. I'm not trying to say that he's innocent or no, but I'm trying to come from the other angle of it. We all must not react on a particular kind of issue or trend in some way. I saw how a lot of you guys are arguing on the post I made regarding Reverend Chaluoku because of his recent RNG accusation. The thing is that there is how I do my judgment. You know, I can't come out to join others to criticize him, calling him RNG, saying that he did it or he didn't do that, you know, stuff like that. No, that is how I do my judgment, and that is how I follow people, you know. Especially when you talk about the whole thing that has been going on inside the church recently. Somebody like me, I used to pay attention to a lot of things. I'm not those that talk because others are talking. I think deeply. I look at some areas before I arrive into my conclusion and judgment. Reverend Chaluoku, yes, recently he came out and he started throwing support to those people that are accusing Evangelist Ebuka, dragging him, laying all sort of false accusation against him. Even I saw one of his videos where he was calling Zionites name, saying that they are not good Christians, they do this, they do that. All those things are still opinion. I don't care about that, but you can still take away that Reverend Chaluoku has contributed a lot in Christianity, especially online. When you talk about all this, let's go back to our root. Church is a scam, Christianity is a scam, Ndioka, Rigonde by this and that. You can still take away that fact that Reverend Chaluoku is among clergy from Anglican Church that has also contributed a lot, I mean, to keep our youth, to make them to still practice Christianity today, to make them to still believe in Jesus Christ, to make them to still believe in church. We used to see his videos going around, especially where they do all these their rituals on the road, destroying them, scattering them, telling young people that there is no power in all those things, and those ways is not a good way to go when you talk about becoming somebody in life. Name them, you know. So you can still take away that fact that he contributed a lot. I don't care about all this his RNG, whatever, Bishop made press release. Like somebody was telling me, somebody sent to me that why will I said if he's into RNG, that I'm kind of trying to be sentimental or whatever in that case. Those press release, those whatever from the office of Bishop, what are they calling them now? Diocese of the Niger. I don't give a fuck about all those things. Matter of fact, I don't trust those people. You see all these Ndioka, call them Bishop, call them Father. I don't trust them. Because somebody like me, I'm from a very, very deep Christian home. And growing up, we are closer to all those things. Call them Reverend Father, call them whatever. Those people, majority of them are evil. You know? So, I can't get carried away that Secular Bishop released a press conference, or a press statement that, and they suspend him and whatever they wrote there. I can't go with all those things. And I could remember, I saw one of Reverend Chaluoku's posts. I think that should be last month or a few weeks ago now. He said that the Anglican Church, the branch at Inteje, I think, where he based, that Anglican Church has been in a way for years, but ever since he came in there, he took over, he renovated it, he made it to look very beautiful. You know, I know that some people will not still be happy with that, especially the old priest that has been in that Anglican church, in that particular branch of Anglican church. They will never be happy trying to see him the church, beautifying it, arranging some certain things, of which I think Bishop came towards that period stand to be corrected. He really did a great job in that particular parish. Some of his people will never be happy with him. Reverend Chaluoku did a great job in that his parish at Inteje, changing the face, making it look beautiful, changing a lot of things. You know, if not the only, but one of the known Anglican church on social media, going around destroying all these aja rituals on the three-way rules and other things. You think they're gonna be happy with him? No, they're not gonna be happy with him. Both from within his domination, from the side of Fundinko Menana, they will always try to come up with one or two things to mess him up, to disgrace him. I'm not trying to say that he's innocent or no, but I'm trying to come from the other angle of it. We all must not react on a particular kind of issue or trend in some way. Talk more of someone like me that think deeply. I don't judge by emotion or because of what this person did to me in the past or said to me in the past. I live in a country that understands rules, law, and human rights. You know? So, I'm not, like I said, I'm not trying to say that he's innocent or guilty, but only him knows. But it's really going to be a shameful one if we, the Christians, don't look into all this, whatever, our bitter side, jealousy, while trying to mess our fellow Christians up, thinking that we are messing up that person, not knowing that we are messing up ourselves in the church. So that is not it. That's my opinion, and I will own it till tomorrow. So yeah, have a nice evening. Kanash Kwazuni Kennes.